How to fix TikTok Lite network error problem. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix TikTok Lite network error problem issue. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open settings on your device. Scroll down, locate Wi-Fi. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If your current Wi-Fi is not working well, try connecting to other networks. If your Wi-Fi is poor on that area, try switching to mobile data. Once done, come back to the same section of settings. Tap Mobile Network. Open your SIM card. Tap Preferred Network Type. Tap on Auto Network Type. Come back. Tap Access Point Names. Tap three dots at top right corner. Tap Reset Access Points, and you need to look whether your issue hasn't persisted or not. If not yet, come back to the settings page. Tap Connection and Steering. Turn on airplane mode for a while and switch it back after 2 or 3 seconds. Come back to the settings page, scroll down, open Apps, select App Management, tap Search bar, type in TikTok Lite, open it, tap Storage Uses and clear cache and data. Come back, tap Battery Uses, tap Force Stop. And that's it. That is how we fix TikTok Lite network error problem. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.